Hello, my name's Siobhan and I work for Halifax Public Libraries.
I'm Saoirse, her daughter.
And today, to celebrate Summer Reading Club, we're making
Pudding popsicles.
First thing we start with is half a cup of sugar. And then we're going to add a quarter cup of cornstarch. And 3 tablespoons of cocoa. And we're going to stir it around. We're going to add a pinch of salt. Saoirse, can you hold out your hand? There. And you can put it right in there. You can just sprinkle it all in. We're now going to add 2 3/4 cups of milk. And you can keep stirring, Saoirse. For the next part of the recipe, a grown-up will have to take the lead on because we are going to use the stove. We're going to bump it up to very high heat, not maximum, but almost maximum, and we want to get our cocoa milk mixture warmed up. And as it warms up, the cornstarch goes into action and thickens up our pudding. You're going to stir it and stir it and stir it with our whisk. You want to make sure you keep stirring it so you don't scorch it. This process takes about 5 minutes. When the pudding's thick, it's time to take it off the heat and turn off the burner and put it aside to rest. While the pudding is cooling, we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, and we're going to get our popsicle molds ready. To make popsicles, you could use things you have around the house. You could use pudding cups or other containers that are food safe. You could also use pre-made molds from the dollar store or IKEA. We are now pouring the pudding into the pudding molds. Don't fill them up too much because the pudding will expand as it chills. Next, we will put our molds in the freezer until they're frozen. Thanks for watching us today make popsicles, and we hope you try this at home and have fun with the Summer Reading Club.
Also, we wanted to make them because they were good, and so we like them, so you should make these at home.